Hello, hi, it's T Vlog, and I'm coming with you with a mukbang. I have church's chicken, I have church's chicken coleslaw, and I have 2 piece and a biscuit. And I have my water on deck, but I'm gonna mix it with some Wranglers. I think it's strawberry lemonade packet. I like it. So yeah. Bringing to you a mukbang today. How you guys doing today? The T vloggers. And I got me some hot sauce. Just thought I'd do a little mukbang with some chicken. Just took my son to work and didn't feel like cooking today. So I'm gonna have chicken. So good. To get all my coleslaw. My coleslaw. 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 Made a mistake. Coleslaw. Coleslaw. How you guys today? I hope you all are doing wonderful. It is cold where I live at. It is snow. We have, it's like 15 degrees here, and then it's supposed to drop to about 6 by midnight. And I gotta be out there so I have to pick up my son from work. So yeah, here you go. The chicken is so fire. I don't eat much fried chicken, but I like it. Like to watch what I eat. This is one of my days, or I can call it a cheat day. So yeah. And this will be my bone channel. So, what are you all eating today? And do you like turkey chicken? I think almost everybody likes turkey chicken, but I'm not sure because some people say turkey chicken is not good in their state. But it's not the turkey chicken. It's not turkey chicken not being good. It's the people that prepares it that makes it not being good. You know. I'm turning my box around so you can see. Let me eat. Mm-hmm. I used to think it was weird when I would see people do mukbang. You know, like, what is a mukbang or a mukbang, whatever they call it? and and I started seeing you eating weird stuff and my stores and stuff, but I like, you know, started looking at it and I was like, it don't make me hungry or nothing when I see them. It just give me an idea of like, hmm, that looks good. I might want to cook some of that tonight, even if it's something they make. We went out and got in the restaurant or something. I if I got it in my kitchen, I'm going to make it. I like jalapenos with mine, but I didn't get no jalapenos this time. I'm like, I got a whole jar of jalapenos in my refrigerator. I don't feel like going to get them. So, you know, like, yeah, you know. Mm-hmm. I like the gristle. I don't know if anybody else do, but I do. I like the gristle. I had all the good seasoning around it, and it's crunchy. I'll put another little piece in there. But I've seen some new mukbangers on on TV. I mean, on YouTube. Some of the new ones. Probably just on there for a minute. And I'm like, dang, maybe it is too easy. I don't know. But it's alright. They'll be cooking up some stuff. Some gonna be cooking and some gonna be buying stuff. Like different restaurants we don't have here. I do it like a I want stuff in my teeth. But like the intermittent fasting they call it. Intermediate fasting or whatever. But we're doing that. And you eat between a certain time of the day and don't eat after a certain time of the day. That's also what's been helping me lose weight. Pretty much eat some stuff I like. Most stuff, I might eat everything I like though, but I kind of mostly eat stuff that's more healthy. You know, but today I'm gonna get down on this chicken. Oh, pop my gristle. Let me use my gristle. I like the honey butter biscuits. I don't know. Anybody still like church chicken dinner rolls? I do. I still like them. But I think the biscuits are so trendy now where, you know, you just get a biscuit and forget about extra rolls. I like the biscuit because it gives me that little sweet. Even if I don't want to eat nothing sweet, I get that little sweet, savory taste. You know. So, I'm gonna take it. Well, I'm glad to hear that crunch. Glad to hear that crunch. Glad to hear that crunch. Got a stain on the shirt. That's a little bite. Well, almost done, y'all. What's a little mini mukbang? Sorry I ain't doing too much talking, but I'm trying. But you know, I had a pretty good day. It was more laid back. Like everybody I talked to was like, I'm so sleepy. I came back. All right, okay. Go and get to sleep. Now I gotta take a nap. I can't go to sleep. I'm like, I'm gonna go to sleep. I don't know. But, you know, coleslaw is a fire. It's so fire. I like the coleslaw. And then I like my coleslaw too. I make some good coleslaw too. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. My daughter, she wants to take me to out for Valentine's Day. I'm looking forward to it. I love this. Is my time to spend time with my baby. You know, when you get married, you know, I ain't no time for nobody what they make, so I understand. So she's like, Mom, I'll take you out for Valentine's Day. So I'm like, okay. And I'm looking forward to it. That's my son. Where you want to go? I said, well, I've never been to the Cheesecake Factory. So obviously, I'm sharing this with you all. I've never been there. This will be my first time, hoping that she takes me. If she takes me, I will definitely do a mukbang there. And upload my opinion on, it's my own personal opinion, nobody else's. Upload my own personal opinion of how Cheesecake Factory food is. I won't get nothing too big, but I just really like I've never like ate their food, but my daughter bought me some cheesecake, like a pumpkin flavored cheesecake back in November. Um, no, excuse me. It was November. She bought me pumpkin cheesecake from them, like a slice of it. And it was really good. But I've never like tasted their food, so yeah, of course. I'm gonna definitely upload what I like about their food, you know, and do a mukbang on it. So hoping that she take me and don't say, well, Mama, I can't find that. So we'll end up going to like a place where she go for brunch. But if she go for brunch at the Cheesecake Factory, I'm thinking they might have specials. Yeah, Valentine's specials. You know what I'm saying? For when the person you love. hmm But that's gonna be what's up. I'ma try it. But anyway, I'm full. I've eaten my 2 little pieces of chicken. I'm a coleslaw. Usually I only eat one, you know, because I don't really eat that much fried stuff. But tonight, I'm hungry because I hadn't eaten nothing since probably about 8 o'clock this morning, about 8:30. And yeah, usually I don't eat, but maybe once or twice a day. But this was my twice a day today. So, but love you guys, and I'm hoping everyone tune in. My new subscribers come and mukbang with T Vlog, because I'm going to be also showing recipes on my other channel, and then I'm going to also mukbang some of the recipes, the foods that I do cook. So I got one coming up, probably tomorrow. I have one coming up, and I'll probably be loading it maybe a couple of days later. So yeah, I'm gonna make. I want to make chili, so I have my own special recipe on my chili. And yes, so see you guys, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace in the middle of the east without no hair grease. Bye.